When your Midea Portable Air Conditioner isn't heating properly, start with these essential checks. First, verify the unit is set to heat mode and the target temperature is higher than your current room temperature. A critical factor is outdoor temperature. Heat pumps in portable air conditioners extract heat from outside air, so they become inefficient below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This graph shows how heat pump efficiency drops dramatically in cold weather. The exhaust hose is crucial for proper heating operation. Check that it's properly installed, not kinked or crushed, and free from obstructions. A damaged or improperly installed hose significantly reduces heating efficiency. Clean air filters are essential for proper airflow and heating performance. Dirty filters restrict airflow, forcing the unit to work harder and reducing heating efficiency. Remove and clean filters regularly with warm water and mild soap. If your unit has a follow me function on the remote control, try using this mode. Some users report that the heating cycles on and off correctly only when this sensor-based mode is activated, as it uses the remote's temperature sensor for more accurate control. Finally, consider insulating your exhaust hose to retain heat and improve efficiency. Wrap the hose with insulation material or foam pipe insulation to prevent heat loss, especially in colder environments.